Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome to VMAX200. There are cars everywhere. I mean, we've got Lambos, we've got a load of BMWs, Mercedes, everything. A lot of tuner cars, there's some ridiculous things here. And we're here today in the M140i, obviously with the new Stage 2 Plus software and hardware that we've got installed to see what we can get. Now, cast our minds, cast our minds back to, when was it? I think it was maybe like maybe like February or March. I'm pretty distracted here, I hope you can understand, but when I went over to Germany, I did the Autobahn when the car was stock, so we hit the speed limiter of 160 160 mile an hour. Since then, obviously, we've had the Stage 2 and then the Stage 2 Plus, where the speed limiter has obviously been taken off. So who knows what we're going to hit, but it's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I mean, there's just cars everywhere. We've got twin turbo R8, we've got like an 800 brake RS3, RS6s, Performante.
05.
And we're making a lot of noise as well. Oh, this is good fun. A lot of fun indeed. So presumably this is the rev off bit. This is just going to be one whole day of hooliganism. Hooliganism? Hooliganism, that's the word. Concentrate a bit there. So that was our third run of the day. Now you may have noticed there that the speedo was stuck at 160, and at first I've been doing some, I don't know, I've been trying to work it out. That's why I've done like 3 runs prior to this without actually recording it, because I thought that the speed limiter was still on. So I've now got the draggy here, and I peeked at it just before I braked, and I saw 171.
Yeah, 171.
So I've got Chloe with me today, by the way. She's what, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, co-driver.
Co-driver, yeah. So quite happy about that, because I was quite worried that for some reason the speed limiter was still there, and it kind of tripped me out. Obviously the analog dials still got to 160, they always will do, but the speedo one still does, but that was saying 171. What kind of stats we got there? Did a mile in 30 seconds, half a mile in 19 seconds. I mean, it's not really a half a mile car, is it really? Because it's rear wheel drive, but still. Well, the weather's been a little bit touch and go today. We've had some very light drizzle. In fact, there's some on the windscreen at the moment, but yeah, I'm glad about that, because I was quite worried, and this video was going to be a write-off if it wasn't actually going to go any faster than 160. But there we go, 171 is what we got in a standing mile. Obviously, it's nothing like the Autobahn where you can go as long as you want, really, and get as high speed as possible. So give it maybe 2 or 3 miles, you might get up to maybe the 180s or something. But that was a lot of fun. And yeah, 171 is what we got. I'm not sure if we're going to do another run or not, because today's been delayed quite dramatically, both with other stuff and also me trying trying to figure out my car. But yeah, excuse the helmet by the way, I probably look like a right idiot, but a lot of fun here at VMAX, and there's a lot of cars actually. As we come into the paddock here, I'll show you some of the others. I mean, my friend Zach from Zach's Garage is here with his Pista, and also the Regera. We've got loads of modified cars. There's a GL Supra up front, loads of stuff, so I'll show you all of that, and maybe we'll finish off the video with one more run. Not sure yet, don't really know what I'm doing. So we're back parked up in the paddock. We've got the Supra ahead, M5, GTR, lots of M5s actually. There's a ton of cars here. I mean, the paddock is completely full. But looking at the draggy stuff on here, actually you can probably see it on this screen. 0 to 60, 4.8 seconds, which I don't think that's that bad. Well, actually it kind of is in the grand scheme of things, but oh well. Quarter mile in 12 seconds, half mile 19 seconds. Yeah, and it's all legal as well. Oh, actually 173 we got. 173, you see that there? What should we see that? No idea. But yeah, 173 is what we hit. Just need to figure out why, for some reason, it's only saying 160 on the digital speedo. I would have thought surely there's a way of sorting that out. If anyone knows about that, by the way, just let me know in the comments, because I might just be a bit stupid to be honest. But there we go. There goes the Regera. That thing's been doing a load of runs today. There's actually another Koenigsegg here. It's an Regera R. Ridiculously cool thing, but yeah, good times. Let me show you around. Okay, so we're just waiting in line for what is going to be my final run of the day. The weather has come in slightly. You can see there's a little bit of drizzle on the windscreen again. The wind has also picked up quite substantially, so hopefully we're all good in that sense. But yeah, like I said, this is going to be my final run of the day. I think they're only doing single lane usage due to, I think, an oil spill fairly early on in the day. So you may have noticed I haven't actually been racing anyone in this video. That's basically the reason why. But anyway, yep, we're lining up now. I think it's going to be that chap's turn first, and then it will be our turn. See if we can beat 173, I think it was. Right, here we are for one final time. Going to reset the draggy and get ready to plant it. Yeah, a lot wetter. There we go. Man, this thing picks up so quickly. So quickly. I mean, the power is just so linear. Pops and bangs away. So much fun. So I had to put the wipers on just to make sure all the water is cleared off the screen as quickly as possible. But yeah, 174 is what we hit. And that is going to be my personal best for the day. So much fun. So much fun indeed. Now at those kind of speeds, kind of 150 upwards, you really notice the wind. And like Craig here said in the safety briefing, I mean, one finger's width of steering really, you don't need much at all, because I mean, if you do like a kind of substantial steer at that kind of speed, you will be straight off. Straight off indeed. But yeah, I think the weather's definitely turning in. I'm kind of glad that the time is getting on in terms of well, people aren't going to have enough time to run, and obviously now the weather as well. I'm glad it came in at this time rather than first thing this morning. But yeah, my first VMAX experience in this car, and 174 we hit. You can see that from that GoPro down there. But yeah, not too shabby at all. It is still weird how it does just say 160 on there. I'm going to have to get that looked at. And once again, if anyone knows why that is the case, then let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I think we'll park up, we'll get this helmet off, and kind of gather our things together before, well, signing off the video and heading home. Okay, so there we are. Helmet is off. Excuse the helmet hair, do apologise. But yeah, 174 in the end is what we hit. Let's have a look at the times there. 0 to 60 slightly slower, 4.9. Like I said, it's getting a bit wet now. We did, well, going from first to second, we did spin a little bit. Half a mile, 12.6 seconds. 60 to 130, so 100 to 200 kilometers, 10.2. That's ridiculously loud. I've got all the windows closed and it's still that loud. But anyway, that's going to wrap things up for me today here at VMAX200. An awesome day. I'm definitely going to have to come next year, maybe when this thing is running even more power, tip it over that 500 brake mark finally. But yeah, we're going to make a move, head home, and well, get working on this video to get it uploaded. Super excited to share this one, actually. It's just so fun to be able to be given a runway and to say, look, just go, be safe, but just go as fast as you want. And there's been some serious speed. I think actually the VMAX record has been broken today by Ollie Webb in Zach's garage, Regera. So that's pretty cool, for like 246 miles an hour or something. Ridiculous. I mean, there's been like GTRs going and getting like 240 miles an hour as well. And there's me getting excited about 174. RS3 goes past and a 488 over there. But yeah, that's going to wrap things up for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures